Update for YouTube on the Main Central lower level or Lower Road Railroad. Anyway, new CN box cars. Had my special agent pick them up in Rhode Island. Not much different here. Working on the turnout control for that turnout back there, which is going to have to be remotely operated because of the distance from the front of the layout. I've started taping down all the areas where I have webbing. I've installed the road subbed where the streets are going to go across or roads are going to go across the tracks. I've got the culverts kind of set in place right now in a couple of places where I got the culverts coming in. Another culvert right there. All right. I got one of the overpasses on Hillside Crossing. I just put Hillside Road overpass in and started taping in the area all around Hill Deep Cut. Installed another road subbed in there. Coming around to Brunswick here. There's a sub road bed for Church Street because it's got church on it, I guess. And then in Brunswick, we've been working on doing some more webbing as we go around there. Right now, all the cars in the yard are sorted. We're going to have an op session in about 2 weeks from today, which should prove to be interesting because I'll run trains with some of the people I've run trains with in the last couple of years, get their opinion and see how that goes. Going around here, I've gotten some of the pink stuff, which I don't really care using that for scenery. I've decided that's why I've gone back to the technique I like, which is the open cardboard webbing. Spring Street overpass, I'll probably try putting that in tomorrow. Here we have RS2, which is going to turn into SR1 and come back through Brunswick here for the op session. No too many changes here. You can see that caboose sticking out right back there. That's the Rockland train. It's down in. It's got to be reversed and it's prep for the op session to come back out. I've gotten my rock castings for the bridge that's going to go across the Androscoggin River in Brunswick. These are just a start. I'm going to have to cut out the U-shaped section in them so that the road can pass through. And got those in the mail today. And of course, I've gotten webbing all the way around the layout, all the way down through. This will be 295 where it crosses the Lewiston Lower Branch. Pejeepscot Mill, all that stuff's going to be coming out of the mill. Got a tube there for where a smokestack's going to be. There's the drop leaf session. Here I've got turnouts because I don't like these Caboose Industry turnouts, so I've got them kind of hidden on the fascia here. They'll be underneath scenery when we actually get it going. So you'll still be able to operate them, but you won't see them if I decide to do some picture taking or whatever. And there's a Georgia Pacific board mill with its cars, and I put in, there's a stream that it passes right before it goes in the board mill, and that stream actually empties into the Androscoggin River. And we've done some cleaning up here because I've put 2 new pull-out shelves underneath Lewiston Lower so I can store all the stuff that's been storing on the layout. I'm getting tired of seeing it all on the layout and having nowhere to store it, so I had these pull-out shelf pieces that I finally installed and put together. And right here we're in Pejeepscot, there's a drawer, and in that drawer is where the pulpwood loads go when they come in to Pejeepscot because they get unloaded, so they get stored in here, and when they go out and somewhere else get loaded, I'll just come back over here and pick out the appropriately load for the train and or car and install it. So that's the update. Hope you enjoyed it.